Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift gears smoothly, or do you feel a sudden jerk when accelerating? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0785 shift timing solenoid malfunction, it means your transmission is having trouble coordinating gear shifts. Ignoring this can lead to serious transmission damage, but don't worry. I'll explain what P0785 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0785? The P0785 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a fault in the shift timing solenoid. This solenoid helps control the timing of gear shifts to ensure smooth transitions. Symptoms of P0785 include delayed or rough shifting between gears, transmission slipping while accelerating, harsh gear engagement or sudden jerks, check engine light and transmission, warning light on reduced fuel efficiency due to improper shift timing. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0785. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0785, check these critical components: shift timing solenoid, solenoid D, location inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls the timing of gear shifts using hydraulic pressure. Transmission control module, TCM, powertrain control module, PCM. Location, mounted on the transmission housing or near the firewall in the engine bay. Function, sends electrical signals to the shift solenoids for accurate gear shifting. Transmission range sensor, TRS, neutral safety switch. Location, attached to the side of the transmission, near the gear shift linkage. Function, detects the current gear position and sends data to the PCM. Input and output speed sensors, ISS, OSS. Location, found on the transmission housing, near the input and output shafts. Function, measures rotational speeds to help the PCM determine shift timing. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM TCM. Function, transfers signals. Damaged wiring can cause shifting issues. Common causes of P0785, faulty shift timing solenoid, solenoid D. A malfunctioning solenoid can cause incorrect gear shifts. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or low fluid can reduce hydraulic pressure, affecting shifting. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM. If faulty, it may send incorrect signals to the solenoid. Faulty transmission range sensor, TRS. The PCM may not receive correct gear position data. Electrical issues, damaged wiring, loose connections, or corroded connectors can lead to solenoid failure. Internal transmission, wear worn-out clutch packs or bands can affect shifting performance. How to fix P0785. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the shift timing solenoid, solenoid D. Use a multimeter to check for resistance and continuity. Step 3. Test the transmission range sensor, TRS. Verify that it's detecting the correct gear position. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded connections. Step 5. Check the transmission control module, TCM. Reprogram or replace if necessary. Step 6. Inspect for internal transmission, where a mechanic may need to check clutch packs or bands. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor performance. Final words. A P0785 shift timing malfunction can cause serious transmission issues, so diagnosing it early can prevent costly repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, sensors, and transmission fluid to ensure smooth gear shifts. Watch these related videos next. P0436, Catalyst Temperature Sensor Circuit Range Performance, Bank 2. P0437, Catalyst Temperature Sensor Circuit Low Input, Bank 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.